Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Shadows Artistempire and I'm Chubby here. Before beginning to my video, subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to make another drawing for our brothers. So let's get started. So first I am doing all the outlinings with the use of pencil, and then I'll outline them with acrylic colors. Here I am using red, blue and black acrylic colors, and we are gonna play with these colors only. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.